Good morning, everyone. My name is Jessica Joy Algavilan. Today, I am going to discuss Lesson 2 Principles of Syntax. Number 1, Composition. The principle that sentences are made up of smaller parts, words, and phrases that combine to form larger structures. In short, composition is a smaller parts, words, and phrases that combine to form larger structure. Example: the boy ran fast. The boy in the example is a noun phrase plus verb phrase runs fast. Number 2, recursion, a rule that allows structures to repeat or embedded within themselves, making it possible to form infinitely long or complex sentences. In short, recursion is making it possible to form infinitely long or complex sentences. Example: the man who saws the dog that chased the cat that eat the fish, clauses inside clauses, discursive structures. Number 3, constituency, meaning the idea that words group together into units called constituents which function as single parts of a sentence. In short, together into units called constituents which functions as single parts of a sentence. Example: in the tall girl laugh. The tall girl is one constituent noun phrase. Laugh is another constituent verb phrase. That's all. Thank you.